Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is called Tab with Giselle. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this soft matte brown smoky eye eyeshadow tutorial. I really liked doing this look. I always like doing a brown smoky eye because you can never go wrong with a brown eyeshadow. It's just my staple for my every single easy day kind of makeup look. So I really hope you guys enjoy it, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you're an oldie but a goodie. Thank you for joining me in today's video, and yeah, let's get started. I'll list all the products in the description box below, so make sure you do check that out. And yeah guys, let's get started. So guys, to do this brown smoky eye makeup look, I am going to be using the Patricia Bride Rich in Life palette, and I'm going to be using this shade here, which is a brownie color. This is what I'm using for my transition color. The most important thing with achieving any sort of smoky eye is building it up. So we're starting off with the transition color, which just helps to basically make all the eyeshadows that we're going to put on after this just to sit nicely and to sort of give it a gradient effect. So that's why you want to always start with a crease color, and it most likely needs to be like a lighter brown or just a color that's near enough to your skin tone. It just looks really nice and makes your eyeshadows not look too harsh. So that's what I'm just blending out here into my crease, just taking my time and slightly angling out that outer part of the eyes just to create some definition. And this is what it should basically look like. Then I'm gonna do the same thing, use the same steps, same technique on my other eye, and then we'll move on to actually placing some more shadow on. After applying the transition color, we're now going to move on to applying the main color, which is called Irresistible, and it is like a dark, really smoky brown eyeshadow. Absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. It is one of my go-to palettes I love, and I just always find the perfect brown smoky eyeshadow. When I open this palette, it just gives me what I want, and it's got all the shades that I need in terms of creating a brown smoky. So that's what I'm just placing up, on top of the eyeshadow that we used prior, and then just really blending it out. The technique with creating a smoky eye is blending it out. If you blend it out, everything looks really nice. It looks very smooth to the eye, but it just gives your eye a really defined look. So really take your time in blending the eyeshadows out, and I'm basically doing the same thing again onto my other eye and just placing the shadows where I want to place it, and then I'm just blending out the rest of the eyeshadow into that transition color, and you guys are going to literally see what the eye transforms into after this step here. Now I'm moving on to applying some shadows that I have already applied to my lower lash area. I always do this because it just makes my eyeshadows look uniformed and it completes the look. So that's all I'm basically doing. I'm just blending the same eyeshadows that I used on the transition and also my main color into that area, and just sealing everything off in terms of the eye.
butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
After that, I am going on to using my Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced Cosmetics. You guys already know I love this mascara because it just gives my lashes a lift. I always like to apply mascara before going on to adding some lashes. It's just something that I tend to do. So feel free to do this step or feel free to miss it out. It's all up to you guys.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Now for the lips, I am drawing my lips with my ultimate favorite liner, which is So Chic from Berry Cosmetics. You guys already know this is my girl, this is my go-to, so that's what I'm using to start off my lip look. And then I go in with my also ultimate fave, which is the L'Oreal, I think it's called Les Chocolats, and it is in the shade Sweet Tooth. That is my go-to like lip, nude lip. You guys already know this. Last but not least, guys, I add a little bit of gloss. Again, the gloss is from Berry Cosmetics, and it is basically the plump one, the Plump Me Up or something along those lines. It is the plump one that I always use, and that's what I am sealing the deal with, and it's giving me this glossy nude, just like glossy lip vibe. So yeah, that is basically it in terms of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I hope you loved it. I hope you learned one or two things. I'll list all of the products that I've used in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye dolls.